school of mullet. Hey, welcome back to another episode of Fishing Life Awaji. I'm Daiki. So today I'm out for Jack Mackerel using my original sabiki. Now they're in the best season and very delicious. So today's plan is to catch a lot of Jack Mackerel about this size, probably around 30 centimeters or something. Okay, so let's go. Jack mackerel are usually round on the sandy bottom around fish reefs. I started off at the spot right outside of the marina, but didn't get any bite and the current is too slow, so I moved too far offshore to get some better current. And this place seems much better. Current is running about 1.5 to 2 knots per hour. And I drift my boat along with the current like this, starting from 130 feet sandy bottom, running up to the fish reef. Alright, first hit. It's not like a big fight, but you gotta be really careful bringing them up because their lips are so fragile. It's very easy to break. Alright. This is Awaji, one of Jack Mackerel. They're in their best season to eat, both as sashimi and grill. Alright, keep fishing. I want to catch at least 10 of them today. Actually, this sabiki fishing is very simple. You drop the rig down to the bottom and you just stay there until you get a bite. Alright, another one. Oh, by the way, I put them in the live well to keep them alive. enough. Let's get back home and cook something. Hey, let's prepare sushi rice. Vinegar. And a little bit of honey. Mix. Okay, put it in the fridge. Okay, make some marinade sauce for sushi. Soy sauce and mirin. A little bit of sesame oil. Dashi. Alright, I already cleaned up the fish. Let's fillet the fish. Peel off the skin using the other side of knife. Okay, and V cut to remove pin bones. V cut. Maybe leave it for 30 minutes or something. Then ready for sushi. Sushi. Okay. Now I'm going to make makizushi, the sushi roll. It means sashimi. Salt, a bit of sesame oil, and scallion. And Japanese magic sauce, ponzu. And mix. Okay, makizushi is done. Sushi roll with Jack Mackerel. Let me try one piece. Here. Very nice.